How to deactivate your Twitter account, a step-by-step guide. While Twitter can be a great way to stay informed and connect with others, there are times when you might want to take a break. If you're considering deactivating your Twitter account, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. Before you deactivate. Deactivating your Twitter account is a temporary action. Your profile, tweets, followers, and likes will be hidden from other users until you decide to reactivate it. You can reactivate your account at any time by logging back in. Step 1. Log into your Twitter account. Open your web browser and visit the Twitter website. Log in with the username and password of the account you wish to deactivate. Step 2. Access account settings. Click on your profile picture, located in the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings and Privacy from the list. Step 3. Navigate to Deactivate your account. In the left sidebar, you will see several options. Scroll down and click on Deactivate your account, located at the bottom of the list. Step 4. Review account deactivation information. Twitter will provide you with some important information about what deactivating your account entails. Read through it carefully to understand the implications of deactivation. Step 5. Click Deactivate. At the bottom of the deactivation information page, you will find the Deactivate button. Click on it to proceed. Step 6. Enter your password. To confirm your identity and authorize the deactivation, you will need to enter your account password. Step 7. Confirm deactivation. Once you've entered your password, click the Deactivate Account button to finalize the process. Step 8. Account deactivated. Congratulations, your Twitter account is now deactivated. Your profile, tweets, followers, and likes will be hidden from the platform. Deactivating your Twitter account can provide a much-needed break. Whether you're taking a short hiatus or contemplating a more extended break, these simple steps will allow you to deactivate your account with ease. Remember that deactivation is reversible, so you can return to Twitter whenever you're ready. If you found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more everything how-tos. Thank you for watching.